In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Spotify Family. If you're ready to switch to a family plan, the easiest and most reliable way is to do it in a web browser. This gives you the clearest view of your account details and plan options and helps avoid hiccups you might run into in other places. Have your login details ready and let's walk through it together. First, open your browser and go to the Spotify account page. Sign into your account using your regular credentials. Once you're in, look for the section called Your Plan. This is where Spotify shows your current subscription and the available options you can move to. Next, click the option labeled Change Plan. You'll see a list of plans. Find Premium Family and select it. This plan is designed for households that want multiple premium accounts under one bill, so everyone keeps their own music library and recommendations while the owner manages the subscription from a single place. After selecting Premium Family, proceed by tapping Get Premium or Confirm Payment, depending on what you see on your screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize. That's it, no extra tricks or hidden steps. Spotify will process the change right away. Your upgrade will take effect either immediately or at the start of your next billing cycle. Which one you experience depends on how your current plan is set up and when you're billed. If it happens immediately, you'll see the family plan active in your account page. If it's scheduled for the next cycle, you'll see a confirmation that the switch is queued. A couple of important notes to give you peace of mind. When you upgrade, you keep all your playlists and saved music. Nothing is lost in the transition. The only change is your plan type. Also, only the plan owner pays the bill. Even though multiple people can use the family plan, there's just one payment method and one payer on the account. If your current subscription was started through Apple, a mobile carrier, or another partner, you may need to cancel that subscription with them first before upgrading on Spotify's website. You can usually see who bills you in the Your Plan section of your account page. If it lists a partner instead of Spotify, handle the cancellation there, then come back and complete the steps we just covered. And that's the whole process. Head to your account page, change your plan, pick Premium Family, and confirm payment. You'll be upgraded right away or at your next billing date, and all your music stays exactly where it is.